This is a read aloud called I Can Do Hard Things, Mindful Affirmations for Kids by Gabby Garcia, illustrated by Charity Russell. I don't always feel brave, confident, or strong. Sometimes it's easier to follow others along. I get so many messages about how I should be, pulled in different directions. I feel wobbly. When this happens, I listen for that quiet voice inside. When I pay attention, that voice is my guide. I connect with the love and strength it brings. It helps me remember I can do hard things. I can be a friend to myself. I can feel all of my feelings. I can ask for help. I can try again rather than give up. I can believe in myself. I can speak up when it would be easier to stay quiet. I can say no, even to my friends. I can apologize. I can forgive. I can listen to understand different points of view. I can care for my community. I can choose kindness. I can practice peace. I can share my gifts with the world. I can be myself. Hard things can be about what we think, feel, say, or do. What's hard for me may not be hard for you. You are you, and I am me. We walk through the world differently. Trusting my voice helps me find my way. I grow braver and stronger every day. The tough stuff I face is all my own. But I can also remember I'm not alone. I'm ready for the hard things I have to do. And please remember, so are you. A little bit more about mindful affirmations. To be mindful is to be aware of what is happening right now. An affirmation is a short phrase or statement about yourself that is supportive, helpful, or motivating to you in some way. Mindful affirmations connect you with what you need to hear. Find one for yourself. Choose an affirmation that you connect with from the book or come up with one on your own. Take a few deep breaths and repeat it silently to yourself. Pay attention to physical sensations. How does it make you feel? Energized, strong, tingly, calm, relaxed? Notice how saying it makes you feel. Does it make you feel loving, brave, proud, curious, excited, peaceful? Think about how this affirmation is supportive or helpful to you. If it isn't helpful or supportive, choose another one. Sometimes writing your affirmation down is also a good idea. Place it somewhere that you'll see it and you'll repeat it to yourself whenever you need it, or even daily. Please remember that what you say to yourself matters. Mindful affirmations become your inner voice, which supports you in doing hard things, whatever they may be for you.